Mob. What it do, broski? It's my man Davey Mcflyy, 2 Eyes man. In the Mob Museum, finna drop off some fire for y'all boys, broski. One take Davey on deck, cause this will be recorded in front of a live Mob studio audience. So I'm expecting my guys to fall in any given second. You know what I'm saying? I'm streaming live on Twitch. So if you want to join the mix, man, come find your boy over there at twitch.com. Search Davey Mcflyy with 2 Ys, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 Ys, you'll find me just like that. You know what I mean? But I got some fire for y'all. This finally came, bro. This joint right here finally came. Hey, I hope I ain't show my ID, but we got it. I've been waiting on this for I feel like 3-4 weeks, bro. I ain't gonna I ain't like 2 weeks. Honestly, I've been waiting on this joint like 2 weeks. Finally got it, bro. Heat pulled up, you know what I'm saying? Check us out, Heat. Yes, sir. And like I said, this video was recorded in front of a live Mob studio audience. Busting this joint straight out the pack. Check it out, Jack. Oh yeah. Coming from the Fanatic shop. Georgetown, that number 3. You know what that is. Got the sauce in the building. What's good with your boy? Mob. You know what I'm saying? My boy's pulling up. Heat in the building.
That's my dog.
Southbite in the building.
That's my dog.
Yes, sirski. Look at it, cuz. Let's go ahead and get up in here real quick. Like I said, one take Davey in the mix. Oh man. Whew. All that extra paper, boy. Oh yeah. Check out the front, bro. Huh? Yo, that look good. That looks so good. Michelin S tag with the year right there. The light probably got it blasted out. Hold on. Might can knock down the light a little so you'll catch a little bit more details. Check them out, bro. Yes, sir. Back, hit, number 3. Check out the sides. Y'all know about Georgetown. Y'all know about the markers on the sides. And like I said, bro, I ordered this joint with like 2 weeks ago. I ain't play for no fast shipping or none of that. And it's finally here. The bit finally here, cuz. Dumb excited about that. Man. And we gotta check it out, broski. We gotta check it out. Hold on. I'm gonna aim the camera up just a little bit so it'll see. Y'all will see it whenever I stand up. That should probably work like that, huh? Yeah. Hey. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Damn, tag in the way. Tag all in the way. That's hard though. Check out them stripes on the side. Yeah. Hey, bro, y'all let me know on the jersey. I say it's a dub, bro. This motherfucker got me feeling fresh. I ain't gonna fake. Look, this motherfucker got me feeling fresh, cuz I ain't gonna fake. Know what I'm saying? And then if you got the Georgetown jersey, I feel like it's only right to rock it with the Concords, you feel me? Cause Iverson was rocking it with the Concords. when he was killing niggas at Georgetown, he was rocking it with the Concord. So you know what I mean? AI jersey with the Concords or shit, the actual Georgetown questions, you know what I'm saying? Hit them in the mouth like that. That'll be some flavor too. That's fine. Moving along, like I said, read this video definitely recorded in front of a mob studio audience. Hold up, who done pulled up on me? Let me tap in with the dogs. Look at y'all Tay.
That's my dog.
Sauce May.
That's my dog.
Look at that. Look at y'all Tay. That nigga there, cuz. Look at your tape. Hell the fuck no. Fuck you doing around here, cuz? This shit get funny. Anyway, moving it along. We got another box. This shit been sitting up here in the office, bro, and I ain't even opened it yet. So let's go ahead and open it up and close off this video. Dang, and I can't find my knife. Where the hell is my knife? Where the fuck is my knife, cuz? There it go. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe. Notified. If you ain't fucking with your boy on Twitch, come find me. Davey McFlyy with 2 Y's. Twice as fly than these boom ass. No, I'm playing. Davey McFlyy with 2 Y's. DaveyMcFlyy. But yeah. Oh. Did I stab the box? Stab the box a little bit, cuz. Damn. Y'all can see that too, can't you? Y'all see that boy with 2 on it. Right at the top of the 8. Stab shit out of it. Damn, man, I done fucked up the box. Now I can't even. Well, nah, I'm gonna take that junk back and ship that junk back. You feel? We're gonna tape him back, ship him back. 380 on the top. Y'all done seen this before. I ended up doubling up on the peppers. Ooh. I ended up doubling up on the peppers. This is a size 10.5. I didn't know if I was gonna hit or not on Yeezy on the on the Adidas Confirm app. How you lock your shoes in. So I snatched the pair from Yeezy Supply, and that was the first pair. The first pair came from Yeezy Supply. This pair from Adidas. I don't need them both. If you wear a size 10 and you want them jumps, you know what I'm saying? Retail and shipping, holla at me, bro. I ain't trying to make no profit, no none of that. If you can find them cheaper, go that route. But if you want them, size 10.5, I'll max is retail plus shit because I only wanted 1 pair for myself. You know what I'm saying? And I ended up grabbing 2 because Adidas didn't put out if you hit or not when Yeezy Supply was doing their thing. So I ended up hitting on the play of Yeezy Supply. And after that, like later in the day, I got the email from Adidas talking about I hit on this one. You know what I mean? Or whatever the case may be, vice versa. So that's how that played out. And hell yeah, bro. Let me know, man. If y'all want them, size 10.5, retail plus shipping. Hey, social media at the bottom corner of the screen, I get them out there to you. Just like that. And hell yeah, bro. That's it. You know what I mean? I'm doing this at the beginning of this video. Last time I did it dead in the middle of the stream. This time I'm thinking smarter. You know what I mean? We're gonna work smarter, not harder around this side. But yeah, bro, I'm gonna check in with y'all on the next one. Man, I'm still on YouTube. You know what I mean? Free Davey, bro. Hashtag free Davey. Free Davey tees on the way. You know what I mean? Shit. Yeah, free Davey. Ain't nobody screaming free Davey but the mob, so I got them. When Davey get free, goddamn, that's exactly who I'm partying with. Yeah, I already know it, broski. And salute all my OGs, youngest day ones, new members like out of the bitch. Peace. Dude.